Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to uninstall this update, that is KB5029263. Now if you want to uninstall this update on your Windows 11 computer, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now before you uninstall the update, let me inform you, uninstalling Windows update is not recommended. But still, if you want to uninstall it, then you can follow the steps shown in this video. Now for this, open Windows settings and then go to Windows Update and then click on Update History and then scroll down. At the end over here you can see Uninstall Updates, click on it. Now over here you can see KB5029263. Now if you want to uninstall it, click on Uninstall and then click on Uninstall once again and let the uninstall complete. Now after the uninstall, you have to restart your computer. Click on restart. So let the uninstall complete and then restart your computer. And after the system restart, when you click on check for update, you will see this update once again. So if you want to get rid of it, I will show you the steps how to skip this update, how to hide this update. So first of all, you have to uninstall the update, which is happening right now. So click on uninstall, and yeah, it's uninstalling. Once the uninstall is complete, you have to make sure that you have to restart your computer. So over here you can see uninstall, restart required. So restart your computer. Now after the system restart, log into the computer. Now after the system restart, copy this Microsoft link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. So this is download.microsoft.com download. So this link is from Microsoft. Hit the enter key and this will download this show and hide troubleshooter. So click on it and then run this file. Now over here you can see show or hide updates from Microsoft Corporation. Now over here you can see troubleshooters have moved and this tool will be retired. So this may work only for some time. So till the time it's working, you can use it. So click on next. Now it will search for an update. So let the search complete. Now click on hide updates. Now over here you can see this update, that is KB5029263. Put a check on this box and then click on next and let the process complete. Now once done, you can close this and then you can go to Windows settings, and then next time when you click on check for update, it will not install that update anymore. It will skip that update. So this is how you can uninstall it and then you can hide this update and it will skip that update. So this is how you can uninstall this update from the Windows 11 computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.